Select the correct statement among the following. Whereas statement A is given as slow neutrons can cause fission in uranium than fast neutrons. The statement is correct because slow neutrons are more effective in causing fission in uranium atom because they have higher probability of being captured by nucleus, which will initiate the fission process. So statement A here is correct. Let us check statement B. Statement B is given as alpha rays are helium nuclei. This statement is also correct because alpha rays are indeed helium nuclei, which will be represented by helium-4 2, which means it have 2 protons and 2 neutrons. So statement B is also correct. Let us check statement C. Statement C is given as beta rays are fast-moving electrons or positron. This is correct because beta rays are the streams of high-speed electrons or positrons which will be emitted during a radioactive decay. So statement C is also correct. Whereas statement D is given as alpha rays are electromagnetic radiation, whereas statement D is given as gamma rays are electromagnetic radiation of wavelength larger than X-rays. This statement is incorrect because gamma rays are electromagnetic waves, but their wavelengths are shorter than X-rays and they have higher energy and frequency compared to X-rays. So statement D even here is wrong. So based on that we can say statement A, B, C only correct here and the correct answer here will be option A.